Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you and teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make your very own best, that's right, chicken and rice casserole. Alright, I have 4 chicken breasts right here, and I have some Brussels sprout. I said Brussels sprout. I have some broccoli florets, and I have some cauliflower and some peas and carrots right here. And I have some butter. I have some chicken broth. I have some cream of chicken right here. I have right here is some Parmesan and Romano cheese right here. And this one right here is just mild cheddar cheese. Okay? And for my seasoning, I'm going to use, these are going to be all teaspoons. I'm not teaspoon, but half a teaspoon. All right, this is some Old Bay seasoning. This is granulated garlic, granulated onion. This is some Creole seasoning right here. This is some black pepper. And this right here is pretty much some Mrs. Dash, okay? But this is organic from Kirtland. I got it from Costco's, okay? This is organic, no salt seasoning, all right? So it have a lot of different flavors in there, but it's the same thing as Mrs. Dash, okay? The original one. All right, and then I have some spray butter, because we're gonna have to spray some butter on here to keep this from drying out. All right, guys. Let me move this stuff to the side and we step right into this stuff. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. This is what we're gonna do. I have some rice that I have 2 cups of rice, okay, that I cooked for about 15 minutes. And I rinsed it like 3 to 4 times because I don't want a lot of starch in my rice, okay? That's this right here. Right here, guys. So all I'm gonna do is just put this in this pan right here, just like so. You want it kind of crunchy, so it's got to still cook. So I'm gonna spread that out evenly on there, and that's that right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our carrots and stuff like that. So we're gonna use probably like a half a cup of this carrots and peas. Right here. I can eyeball mine, but you're going to use you a half cup. All right. A half a cup, guys, okay? That's what that is. All right, let me open up this. Cauliflower. Well, you might as well put the whole bag in it. And yes, leave it frozen, guys. It's gonna help put some moisture in this stuff. If I can break some of these apart. Okay, let's open that up. Put that in there as well. I'm just gonna mix this stuff up. This stuff spread it about real good. I think we're good. Right there, let me show you guys that. That's how that looks. All right. Now, we're gonna come in here with some of this chicken broth right here. We're not gonna use the whole thing now. We can probably use half of it. So this is 2, how many pounds is this? This is 3 pounds, so we probably use like 2 pounds. Because this rice is not all the way cooked through. All right. Just till you start seeing the chicken broth. So it's almost, I did almost use the whole thing. I still got about that much left in it. Okay? So let me show you guys that. See if you guys can see that. There's the juice in there. I'm gonna move that around. Yeah, just like so. All right, we have some of this cream of chicken. But you guys can see what I'm doing actually. So I'm just gonna stir this up in here. That's right, the best chicken and rice casserole. Not gonna lie to you guys, this stuff is off the chain. Shout out to Gloria. She the one who showed me how to make this a long time ago. If you guys want to know who that is, that's my girl. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you guys a link to Mama G's meatloaf too. She showed me that one too. So it's mixed pretty good here. All right, we're gonna just put that to the side. We're gonna start working on this chicken. All right, first thing first, we're gonna come in here with this Creole seasoning. A half teaspoon. I always start with my backside first. We're gonna come in here with some of this Obey. Remember what I said, if you hold it up higher, the higher you hold up, the even it spreads on there, okay? So I'm gonna come with this granulated garlic. Now, you can put much as you want on yours. I'm not a big fan of the salt, so I normally go ahead and put like these type of seasoning on mine. Okay. A little black pepper. Like so. And come with this Mrs. Dash original or no salt seasoning. I'm gonna take the spray butter and spray that on there so it can stick on there. Because this chicken breast, it will dry out, guys. Don't be fooled, okay? Because it don't have a lot of fat on it. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this pan, put it right here, move this out the way. Because we're done mixing, and we're just gonna lay these bad boys in here, like so. All right, this is just a little piece. I'm just gonna throw it in there any type of way. All right, so I'm gonna try to squeeze it down in there a little bit, like so. Wipe my hands up. All right, so we're gonna come back in here with the seasoning again. We gotta cook it on this side. I mean, we gotta season the other side. Okay, that's that. Okay, that's that. Garlic. And guys, please make sure your oven is preheated at 375. Mine's already is, so I'm good to go on that. Onion, granulated. That's that. Okay, black pepper. Alright. Go ahead and put this Mrs. Dash, aka the no salt seasoning. Make sure everything is on here nice and evenly. Alright, we'll take some spray butter and just spray butter this down. So we want the seasoning to stick on here. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of that butter in there when the meat get done. Okay, so that's what we're looking like, guys. Just like that, okay? Alright. So we want to cover this up and put this bad boy in the oven and let them cook for like 20 minutes. All right. See you guys in a minute. All right, fam, I'm back. This chicken and rice been cooking for about good 30 minutes. I thought it was gonna be 20 minutes, but it's 30 minutes. So I'm gonna show you how that looks so far. But we still gotta put it back in the oven and brown it on top, okay? So that's how that looks, fam. All right. So all I'm gonna do now, because I don't want my stuff to dry out, I'm gonna spray a little butter on it. I'm gonna drop a piece of this little butter in here. All right, I'm gonna take a little of this butter, just drop it in here. So my rice can be nice and moist. It's gonna be moist anyway because the chicken broth and cream of chicken. So I'm using about 2 tablespoons, pretty much a tablespoon and a half of this butter. So I'm gonna go ahead and broil this on top, just to let the chicken brown up before we put our cheese and all that stuff on it, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I did let this cook on broil for about good 5 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and put our cheese and stuff on it. I like to put my cheese all the way around it, on it, and all over. So I'm gonna see how many cups this is. Like I said, I'll use a cup of this mild cheddar cheese right here. Put a little bit more on here. And that should do it. Alright, now we're going to come in here with our Parmesan Romano. A little bit more of this red cheddar so it can show on top. The best ever chicken and rice casserole. I guarantee you're gonna fall in love with this recipe. Just make it and then you tell me. We're gonna sprinkle a little parsley on there. Alright, this is going to go back in the oven for another 5 minutes till this cheese melt, and we'll be good to go. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I'm finally done with this chicken and rice casserole. That's how that looks. Okay. Definitely want this on your menu. Okay guys? So guys, please give me a like and please give me a share. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit this bell. Okay? Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in DOGG'S Kitchen. Much love and happy holidays.